Good morning, students. This is the fourth video. In this video, you will know topology. Okay. So, what is topology? The arrangement of nodes in a network is called, yes, network topology. There are broadly two types of topology: broadcast and point to point. Okay. In broadcast topology, all nodes share the same physical link. When one node transmits, yes, all node receive. Okay. But in the point to point topology, every pair of nodes has a dedicated line. Yes, popular point to point topologies are star and mesh. Okay. So first part, that is your bus topology. Okay. Yes. The first one is the bus topology. Now you can see the picture. Okay. This is the bus topology. In bus topology, there is a long cable called, yes, a backbone cable. You can see it, that connects various nodes. You can see here through a connector. This is called the connector. Okay. Sometimes we call it as a tap also. Okay. This topology requires less cabling and easy to install and extend the network, yes, laid using it. Okay. So here fault detection and isolation is difficult. If suppose the cable is cut from here, it will be quite difficult for you to understand it. Okay. That can let your entire network stop. Okay. Now the next one is the ring topology. You can see the ring topology. This is the ring topology. In ring topology, all the devices are attached. You can see attached, yes, through a cable. You can say this is the cable, yes, in the form of a ring, my dear. The message to be communicated is transmitted in one direction. Okay. So here, if it is in one direction, it means if there is a problem from, yes, the cable, you cannot be able to send your data, yes, to other one. The simple way I can say that a single point failure leading to trouble of the entire network. You cannot be able to send your message to anyone. Just now you can see, my dear, if I cut this cable, will you be able to communicate here? No, my dear. Okay. Now the next one is your star topology. Okay. Wait. Yes. You can see in star topology, all the devices, yes, are connected to a central controller that is called hub or switch. Communication between two devices take place, yes, through the hub or switch. Okay. Star network can be easily installed and configured, my dear. Okay. But there you have that disadvantage. It requires more cabling. Suppose one more node you have to attach, then you need one more, yes, a cable, my dear. Okay. And one more problem is that if your hub or switch, yes, doesn't work, my dear, in that case your network will fail, my dear. Now the next part, that is your, yes, mesh topology. You can see the mesh topology. This picture you can see. In mesh topology, every node is connected. You can see every node is connected with, yes, every other node in the network. Yes, because of dedicated point to point, yes, connection between every, yes, a possible pair of nodes. The topology provides secure data transfer without any traffic problem. Okay, just if suppose this cable is cut, no problem. Yes, this computer can send the data to here. How? Maybe like this way. Okay, so this is the benefit, but it is too complex, my dear. When you have 10, 20 pieces, you cannot be able to understand this cable is connected to which PC. Okay, okay, but there you have the advantage. One cable cut, there will be no, yes, a problem in the network. Okay, but it has a disadvantage. It requires a large number of communication to establish the topology. Yes, this leads to difficulty in installation as the number of nodes grow as the network grow, my dear. That means if suppose 10 PCs you have and 11th PC you want to add, it means that PC must be connected to every node, my dear. Okay, so now the next topology, that is your tree topology. You can see tree topology is a hybrid topology. Yes, that is the combination of star and bus topology. Backbone cable, you can see this is your backbone cable. In a bus topology acts like the stem of the tree, and the starred one, you can see these are your star. You can see, my dear. So these star topologies are connected to the main cable. Yes, like the branches of tree, my dear. Damage to a segment of a network laid using, yes, tree topology will not affect the other segment. Now you have the disadvantage, the drawback of yes, tree topology. You can see if the backbone is damaged, will this topology work? Never, my dear. So this is the main drawback of the, yes, tree topology. I hope you have understood this all topic. Yes,